What's the meaning of cross-training? Cross-training. Cross-training.
Cross-training. Cross-training. Cross-training refers to the practice of training employees to perform tasks or duties outside of their primary job responsibilities. The goal is to develop a more versatile and flexible workforce capable of handling multiple roles and tasks. By cross-training employees, organizations can increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve employee morale. Additionally, cross-training can help organizations to improve succession planning and mitigate the risks associated with unexpected absences or turnover. Overall, cross-training is an effective way for organizations to increase their agility and adaptability in response to changing business needs and market conditions.